So we have another great panel to finish the afternoon, and I'm gonna follow the same plan on the previous panel. I'm gonna ask each one of you to introduce your fund, your company, tell what you're doing there, and basically your interests, the areas of where you're actually investing, and sort of give us an idea of the ticket amount, and we go from there. Dan?
Good. Good afternoon. I'm Dan Penberthy. I'm with Rand Capital, a venture capital firm. We're kind of an anomaly in that we're a small publicly held fund and actually a founding member of the NASDAQ stock market in 1971. We've been around a long time. I've been doing this since 1996. And I've taken a lot of great notes from the speakers today and hope to kind of bring them back during some of our talks. Rand is what you consider typically the first institutional investor into a company. We are a professional VC. We have investments in 24 different companies. I'll get into my diversification a little bit later. But typically the profile of the company that has come to us is somebody that has already raised some angel investment capital and has now developed their first prototype, has their first customer, hopefully has $500,000 in revenue, maybe less. But that customer is critical to us, even if it's a beta, non-paying customer, because I can go out and validate a whole lot of issues regarding a company.
The earliest investments out of the portfolio were in '95 in the commercialization of the internet with Yahoo, E-Trade, GSI Commerce, GeoCities, and over the years moved from just being a traditional Series A fund to being my current fund, which is an early stage fund, about $170 million, focused on seed, Series A, and some Series B investment. We also have a growth stage fund that does $10 to $50 million size checks in traditional growth venture, looking to IPO in the following 3 or 4 years kind of time frame type of deals. So the breadth that we have and the dollars we have are pretty large.
You have a corporate fund that just bought Sprint. So the name Softbank, ironically not a bank. Many folks here might know it because of the Steve Jobs of Asia character, Masayoshi Son. He is our largest LP. He's also the CEO and chairman of Softbank Corporation, which is a $60 billion telco based in Japan.
I'm Carter Page, managing partner of Global Energy Capital as well as Global Natural Gas Ventures. I'll focus my comments here on the Global Energy Capital part, which is a more diversified holding, which is kind of covers a broader range in light of the panel here. I talked yesterday about some of the natural gas elements, so I'll speak more broadly right now. Really, we're both venture as well as some private equity in terms of some of the infrastructure plays, and I think speaking about some of the consistent with the panel that Jean-Baptiste just led. We've really looked at a broad range of opportunities in terms of the technology space. And as I alluded to yesterday in my panel, or on my remarks, basically, some of the big changes happening in the technology space in the U.S. have really been driven in large part by the shale revolution.